Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up any file that you want to hide, whether apps or file. So I'm going to go to my file manager right here. Now let's say for instance I want to hide some photos. I will go to photo images right here. Then having opened up the images, then I'm going to simply go ahead and open any photo right here. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp photo. So let's say for instance, I want to hide two photos from here. I'll click and hold down. I will select the two photos. Then having selected the photo you want to hide, click on more right here from the bottom. This is going to pop up. Then click on move to XHide. Scripted complete, check in XHide. Now let's say for instance, I want to hide videos or so. I will simply go back. Then I'll go to my video section right here. Then here we can simply select any video that we would like to hide right here. So let's say for instance, I want to hide this particular video right here. What we want to do here is to click and hold down, select the video. Then we click on more right here. Then we click on move to XHide. Now, once you are done with everything you want to hide into XHide, you can go ahead and check those files from your XHide. How do you check your XHide? So I'm going to exit from here now. Then we have to make sure we head over to settings on our Infinix phone. So I'm going to click on my settings right here. From setting right here, scroll down right here and go to privacy. Under the privacy, then go to XHide. So if you have not set up your XHide before, you'll be asked to enter your lock pattern. However, I have already set up my XHide, so I will enter my lock pattern right here to have access. Here we go. Then you will be access your XHide file right here. Now let's check on the pictures that we hide. So you can see these are the picture that was hide. Okay, these are the two pictures that was hide recently. Now let's go back and check on the video that was hide. So this is the video section right here. Then this is the video that was hide before. Then from the XHide right here, you can hide documents, you can hide app, you can hide audio. So for you to hide any app, click on the app right here. For you to hide any app, having opened up it, then click on this plus sign right here, and it will load up and show you all the app you have right here. So here you can easily select any app you want to hide. So if I select this one now, hit on confirm, then you have the app right here. You can go back here. You can also hide any document right here. Click on document. Then what you want to do right here, click on this plus sign right here. It will open up the document section you have. Then select the file you want to hide, hit on confirm, and you have it right here. It's that simple. So this is how to hide files on your Infinix phone using XHide. So for more tutorial about how best to use your Infinix Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.